Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll solve our special worksheet from 70 and 73. These questions are very important, so let's start. Look, number one says give your answers in mixed number. So how can you solve this problem? Look at this, 100 divided by 38. At first we have to rewrite this one as fraction. So it will be 100 divided by 38. Now divide both one, that means numerator and denominator, by 2. Then you will get 50 by 19. Now we have to divide. If we divide 50 by 19, we will get a mixed number. 19 to 38. Then what will be the remainder? That is 12. Then we can say 2 whole 12 by 19 will be the final answer of this problem. So if we want to convert 100 divided by 38 into mixed number, the answer will be 2 whole 12 by 19. Now number B. Number B says 75 divided by 60. So 75 by 60. So if we divide numerator and denominator both by 5, what will we get? Look, 5 15 ja 75 and 5 12 ja 60. Again, we can divide numerator and denominator both by 3. Then what will we get? 3 5 ja 15 and 3 4 ja 12. Now we have to convert this 5 by 4 into mixed. Then 4 1 ja 4, remainder is 1. So our final answer should be 1 whole 1 by 4. So if we want to convert 75 by 60 into mixed number, it will be 1 whole 1 by 4. Now number C. Number C says 35 divided by 25. So we can rewrite this 35 divided by 25 in this way, 35 by 25. Look, we can divide both numerator and denominator by 5. Then we'll get 5 7 ja 35 and 5 5 ja 25. Now we have to convert this 7 by 5 into mixed number. Then we'll get 5 1 ja 5, remainder is 2. So our final answer should be 1 whole 2 by 5. Now number D. Number D says 28 divided by 21. So we can divide both numerator and denominator by 7. Then we'll get 7 4 ja 28 and 7 3 ja 21. Then 4 divided by 3. 3 1 ja 3, remainder is 1. So our final answer should be 1 whole 1 by 3. Now 2a. 2a, 5 by 7 plus 2 by 7. So here LCM is 7. Then we have to add the numerator. 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2, that is 7. 7 divided by 7. So if we divide both number by 7, we'll get 1. So our final answer should be 1. Now number B. Number B says 2 by 15 plus 7 by 15 plus 1 by 15. Here, these fractions are like fraction and every denominator are same. So we have to just add the numerator. 2 plus 7 plus 1. 2 plus 7, that is 9. 9 plus 1, that is 10. 10 divided by 15. Look, we can divide both numerator and denominator by 5. Then what will we get? We can get 5 2 is 10 and 5 3 is 15. So 2 by 3 will be the final answer of number B. Now number C. Number C says 5 whole 1 by 5 plus 3 whole 1 by 5 plus 2 whole 1 by 5. We can solve this problem in two different ways. I want to show you these two methods. First of all, if I add the whole number at first, what will we get? 5 plus 3 plus 2. That will be 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. And if we add the fraction, what will we get? 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. It will be 5 will be the denominator and numerator will be 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 3 by 5. So if we add 10 and 3 by 5, then answer will be 10 whole 3 by 5. Simple. So 10 whole 3 by 5. So 10 whole 3 by 5 is the answer. Okay, we can easily solve it in this way. But I prefer another way because you cannot solve it every problem by using this method. So that's why you have to learn another method. So at first we have to convert this mixed into improper. Then it will be 5 5 ja 25 plus 1 26 plus 5 3 ja 15 plus 1 16 plus 5 2 ja 10 plus 1 11. Look, here every denominator are same. So denominator will be 5. Then we have to just add the numerator. 26 plus 16 plus 11. So if we add 26, 16 and 11, what will we get? So 53 divided by 5. Now we have to convert this 53 by 5 into mixed number. 5 1 5. So we have to bring down 3 here. 5 0 0. So 3 will be there. Then our final answer should be 10 whole 3 by 5. Look, both time we'll get same answer, but I prefer set method because in this method, you can solve all of these problems. But at first method, you cannot solve it. You have to learn another method that will be a little bit complicated. That's why I prefer same method. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Fi amanillah.